Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your artistic journey. Today I would like to talk about how mistakes can improve your painting. Many artists are afraid to make mistakes. We want every painting to turn out exactly as we imagined. We want clean wash, accurate drawing and beautiful colors. But the truth is that mistakes are a natural part of learning watercolor. In fact, some of our great improvement come from mistakes. Watercolor is a unique medium. Water does not allow us to behave the way we assume. Colors sometimes spread unplanned direction. Wash may dry differently than planned. A brush stroke may be darker than intended. This situation happens to every artist, no matter how experienced they are. The important thing is not avoiding mistakes completely. The important thing is learning from them. Every mistake teaches something. If a wash becomes muddy, we learn more about color mixing. If a painting looks flat, we learn about values and contrast. If our perspective feels wrong, we learn to observe more carefully. Each mistake gives us information that helps us improve. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Nobody learns without falling a few times. Painting is very similar. Every mistake helps us understand the process a little better. Sometimes a mistake can even lead to a better painting. Perhaps a color spread into an area where it was not planned. Instead of fighting it, we may discover a beautiful thread. A loose brushstroke may create more energy and movement than a carefully controlled one. What first appeared to be a problem can become an opportunity. Many watercolor artists have experienced this. Some of the most interesting textures, edges, and effects happen by accident. Watercolor often reward artists who are willing to adapt the work with the medium, rather than trying to control every detail. Mistakes also help us become more confident. When we stop fearing mistakes, we become more willing to experiment. We try new technique, new color combination, and new subjects. This willingness to explore often leads to artistic growth. If we only paint what feels safe, our progress may become slow. Another important lesson is that viewers often do not notice the mistakes we see. As artists, we spend hours looking at our work. We notice every small flaw, but most viewers focus on the overall feeling of the painting. They see the mood, they see the light and the story. They are usually not concerned about the tiny mistakes that worry us. This is why we should not be too hard on ourselves. Sometimes we learn more from a failed painting than from a successful one. A successful painting may make us happy, but a failed painting often teaches exactly what needs improvement. It shows us where we need more practice and understanding. That knowledge becomes valuable in future paintings. One helpful habit is to ask questions after finishing the painting. What worked well? What could be improved? What did I learn? By asking this simple question, every painting becomes a learning experience. It is also important to remember that mistakes are temporary, but lessons are lasting. A painting may not turn out the way we hope, but the skills we gain from it stay with us. Over time, those lessons begin to appear in our future work. We become better at judging values, controlling water, mixing colors, and simplifying shapes. All of this growth comes from practice, observation, and yes, mistake. As watercolor artists, we should not see mistakes as enemies. We should see them as a teacher. Every artist you admire has made countless mistakes. The difference is that they continued painting, continued learning, and continued improving. The next time something goes wrong in your painting, try not to become discouraged. Instead, ask yourself what the mistake is trying to teach you. You may discover that the mistake is actually helping you become a better artist. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Growth is the goal. And often, growth begins with a mistake. Thank you so much and happy painting.